Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our group video presentation. Today we want to present about metabolic interrelationship that happen in our body. Our group member are Naadhiroh Binti MH Mohammed Sharif, Faiqah Auni Binti Hasamuddin, Nurin Amanina Binti Zuraidi, Anisha Binti Anuar, and Amalin Safiah Binti Radzi. This is the poster that we do according to the topic Metabolic Interrelationship. This poster explains about simple introduction about this topic, its application and organ that involved in its biological function.
First, introduction to metabolic interrelationship. What is metabolic interrelationship? Metabolic interrelationship refers to the interconnected network of biological reactions that occur within cell or organism to maintain life. These reactions help body to break down food, use energy, and build important substances like proteins. They work together to keep body healthy and balanced.
Second part is application of metabolic interrelationship in manufacturing industry. Metabolic interrelationship play a critical role in the food industry, especially in processes like fermentation, nutrient enhancement, and waste management. Here I want to explain about fermentation process. Fermentation relies on the metabolic pathway of microorganisms such as bacteria and yeast to convert raw material into value product. For example, in lactic acid fermentation in yogurt and cheese production, where the lactic acid bacteria metabolize lactose into lactic acid through interconnected glycolysis and fermentation pathway. This not only imparts flavor and texture, but also acts as a preservative.
Cotton and its related metabolic interrelationship are significant in several applications in the textile industry. Cotton is a natural fiber that undergoes various biological and chemical processes during its production, processing, and use, which align with principle of metabolic interrelationship. The cotton plant uses photosynthesis to convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose, which is then used for growth and fiber production. Cotton fibers are primarily composed of cellulose in carbohydrate produced in the plant through the metabolic breakdown of glucose. During cotton fiber production, enzymes can be used to break down or modify cellulose to improve fabric qualities or to finish the fabric. It's a more sustainable alternative to traditional mechanical or chemical finishing process, reduce water, energy, and chemical usage in cotton fabric production. This metabolic process, the textile industry can move toward more sustainable, eco-friendly practices, reduce its environmental footprint, and increase resource efficiency. Cotton's natural metabolic properties make it an ideal raw material for many of these innovations. Cotton, the most common fiber used in textile. The cotton plant undergoes photosynthesis to produce glucose, which is then used to create cellulose, the primary component of cotton fiber. These fibers are harvested and processed into fabric for clothing and other textile products.
For the last part, we will explore about biological function that happen in our body. For the first biological application, I am going to explain about liver. In glycogen formation, liver will convert excess glucose into glycogen and store in adipose tissue. These processes are called glycogenesis, which help in maintaining blood sugar levels. For the glucose production, when body needs energy, the liver will break down glycogen and back into glucose through glycogenesis. It can create glucose for non-carbohydrate source via gluconeogenesis. In ammonia detoxification, which is conversion of ammonia to urea, ammonia is a toxic that produced by protein metabolism. Is converted into urea by the liver, process known as urea cycle. It will ensure ammonia is safely eliminated via the kidneys. Next is amino acid regulation. Liver will maintain the balance of amino acid in the blood. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and the liver will ensure they are available for protein synthesis or metabolic needs. For fat metabolism, when energy is required, fatty are breakdown by liver into acetyl-CoA and enter Krebs cycle that next will converted into ketone bodies. Next, when there are low energy demand, liver will convert fatty acid into a new molecule which is triacylglycerol and store as a fat for future use. For the last part, which is amino acid degradation, liver can degrade amino acid into intermediate for various metabolic pathways, including energy production, gluconeogenesis or biosynthesis of other molecules. Each of these function will highlight liver crucial role that involved in maintaining balance, homeostasis in our body, and detoxification that happen in our body.
First biological function for kidney is to filter out the waste product urea from the bloodstream. Urea is a water product generated by the liver during the breakdown of amino acid. Then it was transported through the bloodstream to the kidney. The kidney filter waste product like urea and creatinine from the blood, then removing them through urine. Second biological function for kidney is to concentrate it for excretion. As blood passes through, glucose freely filtered into the nephron along with water and other small molecules. For example, in healthy individuals, nearly 100% of filtered glucose is reabsorbed, ensuring no glucose is lost in urine. But in cases like diabetes mellitus, where blood glucose level exceeds the kidney reabsorption capacity, glucose spills into the urine. This condition called glycosuria. Last but not least, the kidney help maintain blood pH by excreting hydrogen ion and reabsorbing bicarbonate.
This is our reference for this topic. Thank you for watching our video.